Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to get DraftKings crowns. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your DraftKings app or website, and once you are there, on the reward section what you need to do is tap on the option that says mission or click on the mission option. And once you're inside there, what you need to do is, you can see there's a mission, and then what you need to do is complete that mission and you'll be able to get the available crowns. So what you need to do is just simply click on start mission and then complete this mission, and you will be able to earn free crowns. So what are missions and crowns? So complete your mission each day by midnight Eastern time. Don't forget to come back and claim your reward and find out what your next mission is. So crowns are points you earn at the start of every paid contest you enter on DraftKings, whether you win or lose. The number of crowns awarded varies per contest type and are not earned for playing in free entry games. The more contests you join, the more crowns you earn. So that's basically how you can earn crowns. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.